HeyGen tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and search for HeyGen.com in the search bar. Once the website loads, log into your account, or if you do not have one, you need to create one first by clicking the sign up for free button located at the top right corner of the page. After that, enter your email address in the provided field and click the send code button to continue. A verification code will be sent to your email, so check your email inbox and look for the code. Go back to the website and enter the code that was given to you. Then click the verify button to proceed. Now you need to enter your new password and confirm a new password. Then check the terms of service checkbox and click the create account button to continue. You will then be asked to choose a plan. So click on the choose free button to proceed. HeyGen will now ask about your personality. So answer all the questions given to you. Once you are finished, click the submit button and you will be directed to the home page. From there, you can choose whatever you want to create by clicking one of the provided options.